Hello everybody, thank you so much for coming by. I'm so excited for today's vlog. We're going to JAX and WAX paint correction class. I am a beginner, so there's going to be a full in-depth review if I recommend this to you guys and just to see what it's like. I've personally never been here, so I'm really excited. And yeah, come along. Everyone will be filming most of this. I'll try to hop in here and there. Like I said, I've never been here, so I'm excited but a little nervous because I don't know, my polishing skills are not that great, to be honest. So we're gonna learn together, so let's go. As soon as you walk in, this is the view you're gonna see. It's really nice and clean. I really like that. I will not be able to film during the actual instruction, but the instruction did take about 2 to 3 hours, so you do get a lot of theory behind that. You get to keep most of these products except the actual machines themselves, but we will see the actual demo right now.
I didn't pay attention.
So we didn't talk about it. We have a separate rotary. We have rotary specific pads. Adhesive is really hard to wipe off.
How do I fix that? I'm just saying if like you wouldn't
Just put it out a little bit more and go over this spot like.
Also, I'm doing small, kind of.
We can unplug this. You can unplug this rotary.
¿Cómo se prende?
Mr. Nick, is this what I want to do?
Neta, ¿cómo se prende?
That's a
Esta cosa está defectuosa.
Pregunta.
Just a little bit. You got enough to probably 3 pads on it.
No, no.
Here, there's one free outlet right there.
Pide ayuda.
¿Tú sabes cómo se prende?
No, yo estoy grabando. Soy una cámara humana.
Edwin, esto no se puede prenderlo.
Bueno, pues como ven aquí, raza. Ya que ellos ya van a terminar de ofer como 5 carros.
He doesn't know how to turn this shit on.
There. Now that's probably the right amount.
Hilarious. Yep, just like that.
You always want to shake them off. Yeah. Just, as a habit, I always shake them off.
Mira, él sí sabe.
Es el lubricante. Vente, vamos a poner una X. Así me enseñaron. Una, 2, 3. Oh, me dijeron que no una Edge. Oh, me la fucked up. Ok, no importa, no vale el dedo. Porque yo tengo una fallita. Ven, enséñanos
¿Y tu light? ¿Dónde está tu light para que puedas ver?
tu like.
Tu light, tu lamparita.
Vamos a ver.
Allá están, mira. Allá están.
Oh, my light. Vamos a ver el video.
Ya.
Así. ¿Se puede ver el video?
No me quiero atravesar que el otro señor está grabando. Ey, no te la robes,
¡Qué Es lo que me dijeron,
Turn on, hit it for 20 seconds. You can move it around just a little bit.
Right?
Hold the trigger all the way.
I'm not counting.
You're alright. Feels better when it's spinning like that. Get your backhand up. There you go. Now let's check it. Yep, stop and check. Bingo. See how it's moving around?
Perfect. See that?
Perfect.
I knew this. Alright, so now I do my little...
Yep. So you have enough in there now. I wouldn't even mess with adding anymore. Go up to speed
Did I put
4.
too much?
No. Okay. Go to speed 4 and do your section that is 6 times the size of your pad.
Okay. You're the master.
I don't know about that.
Yeah? Did you see it on the camera?
Sí.
Yeah, tilt it toward him and go like this.
Ahí está.
Are you recording? Are you sure you're recording?
Sí.
Is it doing? So I felt a little confident and decided to just reload my pad and do another section. I was kind of lucky that I got a whole section to myself. Kind of everybody else was sharing their station and I wasn't. So I got kind of lucky and I wanted to, just have a little bit more practice. I really did enjoy this and I did actually a lot better than I thought. Even Edwin told me at the end of the day that I did a lot better than what he thought. So I'm really happy that I went, and actually it's not that bad. Once you get the theory, once you know about products, once you know the movement, it's pretty self-explanatory after that. So look at these results. You'll be able to see it more on the edge, but pretty good for a first time.
You can overlap your section just a tiny little bit. I mean, this is obviously
I just got home. I just want to finish up this video for you guys and show you a little bit of what I got and just a quick review of what I thought about the entire class. So first of all, let me get started with the price. So I did pay $200 for this class. It was a $100 deposit, and I believe 2 weeks later, or like a few days before, it was the other $100, and it was from 5 to 9 p.m. Food and drinks were provided. Nick, the instructor, was very knowledgeable. I really highly recommend this class to any beginner. I wanted myself to, I really wanted me to take instead of Edwin, because I'm really the one who doesn't really know anything about paint corrections, and I would feel like I can give you an honest review coming from somebody who doesn't really know anything about that, and I think Edwin would be a little bit more biased. So overall, I really do recommend it. Like I said, $200. It was from 5 to 9. Drinks were provided. Vic was awesome. He is the store manager at JAX Wax Houston, and I really do recommend him. He's awesome, really good guy. He helped Edwin and I pick some products out. Also, bonus thing, at the end, we were not told this, so at the end, we also got a $50 credit for JAX Wax, and on top of that, we got a 15% off the entire store. So we had a $50 credit, and on top of that, a 15% off all of their products. So that was awesome, and I'll show you right now what I got. So starting off with these pads. This is actually the pad that I used in the class, and I really liked it, and the instructor actually let me keep it. And we got a little notepad so we could take notes in. Let's see what else. Oh, he also gave us this one-step polish and seal. This is really for one of those really quick customers that just want like a little bit of done. They don't want to break the bank, and you just want to, make some money. This is the product for you. You could charge, I believe they told me $2.99 to do the entire car, and I believe it only takes about an hour. So good stuff. And then this is actually the one that I used on the vehicle, not on the clips that you've seen. It was these two, and I really like this combination. This is probably gonna be my go-to. I know there's like a more coarse one, the blue one. So how it is, it's blue, yellow, and white. Blue being the most coarse, this being fine, and then white being ultra fine. How they do it. Oh, and I also got a prep spray. I wanted to try this out, just try out their products and stuff like that. Show some support. We also bought, this is what I'm talking about. He got the wool one, Edwin, the wool polish pad. I didn't try the wool. I only did foam. I just feel like foam and me goes better in here. We just go along better. I don't know, I felt more comfortable with the foam actually. So we got these applicators too. I think it's 2 for $10. I really like these actually. It's just a material that I haven't really felt before, I really do like it, so that's that. I also got this little detailing brush, and then I love the ends. It has like these small little bristles. Oh, we also got this kit. It's a graphene coating kit, and it comes with everything you need inside of this kit. It comes with the prep, the spray, more little prep sponges things. I don't know what they're called. Little instruction guide. I mean, this is their product, and this is like a ceramic coating but with graphene added as well. So I really want to try that out. I'll probably do like a tutorial on that. I really want to know how to apply it. I really don't know how to apply it. That's more of an Edwin thing. Y'all know what I do. Anyways, and for the grand total of all of this, just give you a little price point. The total was $150. It's $144.60. So just to show you a little bit. Here you go. So that is your total. Our discount was $82. So actually, if we would have paid full price for everything, it would have been $215.59. But with the discount, which was, we got a $50 credit on top of a 15% discount. Or maybe there's another store in your area. I highly recommend it. But with that being said, thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, please let me know down below. And if you like these videos, please let me know. I would love to make more of these and attend more classes like these. I don't know, it's kind of fun. And with that being said, thank you so much for watching and have a good day. Bye.